In this video, I will solve Leetcode problem number 171, Excel sheet column number. So we are given a column title as appear in an Excel spreadsheet, and we need to return its corresponding column number. So this problem is the same as converting a number from base 26 to base 10. So let's look at some examples. For example, AB. Um, to convert it, we will just multiply A by 26 and then add B. So, I mean, we will multiply 26 by A, which is 1, and then we will add B, which is 2, and we will get 28. Let's look at more complicated example. For example, something like this. To convert it, we will need to multiply first digit of this number by the cube of 26, then multiply second number by the square of 26, then we will multiply third number by the first power of 26, and then we will add the last digit. Mm, so we can write the same thing as uh, 26 times 26 times 26 times C plus H plus F and plus G. So, looking at this formula, we can see that at each iteration we will multiply our temporary number by 26, and then we will add the current digit. So we can write a loop to do this. Let's write this loop. So we will declare result, and then for each char C in our string S, we will do this. We will multiply result by 26 and add char minus the code of A and plus 1. So when we subtract the code of char A from our current char, we get the number of this char, but starting from 0. So for example, if we subtract the code of char A from char B, we will get 1, but we will need 2 for B, so we will add 1 here. And then at the end, we will just return the result. So let's check our solution now. Oh, it gave us overflow, so um, the resulting number is very long, so we can use unsigned long for the result. Let's check it once again. Okay, now it was accepted. The problem was in the type of our result. It was too small for this problem, so we changed it with an unsigned long. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and ask me to solve other Leetcode videos, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And also, if you need the code of this problem, ask me to uh, post the link to